Hey guys, and welcome back to another lesson on mole conversions. This is the complex practice on mole conversions. What makes it a little bit more complex is the things that we're going to be working with today, right? Like NH3, right? So we're going to be working with larger molecules, and we're also going to be working with the non-whole number values for the element masses, right? So we'll be actually punching these numbers into our calculators, writing them down on our pieces of paper instead of the whole number values, just because that's what's going to be expected of us in the future. So let's get started. Scroll this down just a little bit. There we go. Probably keep that information handy. Yeah, because we'll need to see these for this problem. So you have 42 grams of NH3. How many moles is this? Okay, so this is a grams to mole conversion, right? And the only way that we can do this is we need to know how many grams are in a mole, right? So remember back when we did this, like if we were just doing this for nitrogen, right, we would take the weight of nitrogen and this would be our conversion factor. For today, right, we're gonna have to add these things up, NH3, and then that'll give us our conversion factor grams per mole. So first let's add these things up. So step one. So N, right, we have one of these, so that's 14.007 grams per mole. And then NH3 is 1.008 times 3, right? And so when we put all of these wonderful numbers into our calculator really quickly, right, when we add up all of our stuff, add up all element masses. Oh, that's a funky E there, huh? Okay. Add up all of the masses, and you're going to get 17.031 grams per mole. Okay? So remember, if we were just working with nitrogen, this would be the conversion factor, but this is the conversion factor for NH3. NH3. Wow, that is a really horribly drawn N there. NH3. Okay? So we need to figure out how many moles we have given how many grams we are given. So we have, let's write this in, let's write it in blue. Right, so if we have this many grams, right, and grams, okay, so we have 42 grams times our conversion factor. So our conversion factor, remember that grams is going to go in the bottom here, because we're going to try to cancel, sorry, make that blue. Grams are going to go in the bottom here because we're going to try to cancel the grams, right? And then our moles have to go on top. And so we know this is 17.031 grams per 1 mole, so it's 1 mole up here. And then our grams, right, is just this number right here, 17.031. And this is going to give us moles because what's going to happen is the grams here are going to cancel. We're going to be given a number of moles, right? Because we're just going to have moles left. So if we have 42 divided by 17.031, that's going to give us, let's round this to the nearest hundredths place, 2.47 moles. Okay? So again, remember this number you're going to divide. in case you forgot, right? So we're multiplying across usually, but in this case, we're dividing by this number in the bottom. Okay, so that should be pretty straightforward. If that was too crazy and complicated, make sure to go see the video posted last Friday. Okay, we're going to move on to our second example, our last example. So you have 3.8 moles of this NO gas here, and we're wondering how many grams do we have, right? And so step one in orange, step one, need to add up our stuff. So N, right, that's 14.0, forgot already. This is why I have it written down, 14.007. And then this one for oxygen, that is 15.999. 15.999. Right, so we add them up. Add up masses. Okay, that's going to give us for NO, our conversion factor is going to be, we just punch this into our calculator really quickly. Have my calculator out and all that good stuff. 14.07 plus 15.999. That is going to give us 30.006. Okay? And that is grams, right, per mole. Per 1 mole, right? I could have written this one like that or vice versa, right? It doesn't really matter. So this is our conversion factor. So let's go back. How did I do it up here? Okay, so let's do it in red. So we have 3.8 moles of NO gas, right? And then we are going to add in our conversion factor here. Remember, the thing that we want is going to go in the top, so that's grams. And the thing that we want to get rid of is going to go in the bottom. So one is grams, goes in the top. The thing we want to get rid of, moles, goes in the bottom. Why? Because again, they're going to cancel out, and ultimately we're going to get grams as our answer, right? And so for this, the top number should be 30.006, right? This number right here. And then 1 mole, just like over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to just multiply across. This one's super easy. So it's going to be 30.006 times 3.8. That's going to give us a grand total. Again, let's round up to the nearest 100th place. Undo that. In black. 114.02 grams. Okay. I hope this video was helpful. I'm going to post a short practice assignment and then the Google quiz. Make sure to do the Google quiz because that's going to show me that you are participating. Okay. If you have any questions, please comment down below, shoot me an email, whatever you got to do. And remember, today is the best day. Bye.